Hello everyone, my name is Benedicta Dwi Juniarti, NIM 2010417107, Class A1, Semester 2. My lecturer Mr. Adi Mursalin. I will answer the question, Meet English for Business 2. What is business? The definition of business. In general, business is defined as an activity carried out by individuals or groups of organizations that carry out sales, production, distribution, browsing, or exchange of goods or services. And this business activity also has the aim of making a profit. There are three ways to use the word business. Business entity, namely technical, legal and economic unit for profit. Certain market sector, for example, such as the capital market. All activities conducted by the producer or producer community of goods or services. A. Brown and Prettle. According to Brown and Prettle, business is defined as an institution that provides or group or creates an item or service that is needed and described by the public and all matters concerning various businesses carried out by the government or private sector whether they pursue profit or not. B. Griffin and Ebert, 1996. According to Griffin and Ebert, business is an activity that provides goods or services that are needed and desired by consumer or the public. Business activities can be carried out by a business organization that has a legal entity or business entity or individual who do not have a legal entity or business entity. For example, such as street vendors, stalls that do not have a business plan permit situ, or other informal business. C. Hages and Kapor. According to Hages and Kapor, business is an organization that provides goods or services for profit. A business or company is said to succeed in making a profit or profit if the total revenue in one period is greater than the total cost incurred. Getting profit is the main attraction in running a business. Through the profit they get, the business person can expand his business so that it can greater profit or even greater profit. D. Alan Afwah, 2004. According to Alan Afwah, business is an organized or structured individual or groups business activity conducted to produce and sell goods or services to get profit in meeting the needs and desires of the community. Usually people who run a business much make money and time spend, and they also much take the risks. They are usually referred to as entrepreneurs. Apa itu bisnis? Definisi bisnis. Secara umum, bisnis didefinisikan sebagai aktivitas yang dilakukan oleh individu atau kelompok organisasi yang melakukan penjualan, produksi, distribusi, pembelian, atau pertukaran barang atau jasa. Dan kegiatan bisnis ini juga bertujuan untuk mencari keuntungan. Ada 3 cara untuk menggunakan kata bisnis. Badan usaha, yaitu untuk teknis. Hukum dan ekonomi untuk keuntungan. Sektor pasar tertentu, misalnya pasar modal. Semua kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh produsen atau komunitas produsen barang atau jasa. A. Brown dan Prettle. Menurut Brown dan Prettle, Bisnis diartikan sebagai suatu lembaga yang memproduksi atau menciptakan suatu barang atau jasa yang dibutuhkan dan diinginkan oleh pemerintah atau swasta, baik yang mengejar keuntungan maupun tidak. B. Menurut Griffin dan Ebert, 1996. Menurut Griffin dan Ebert, bisnis adalah suatu kegiatan yang menyediakan barang atau jasa yang dibutuhkan dan diinginkan oleh konsumen atau masyarakat. Kegiatan usaha dapat dilakukan oleh badan usaha yang berbadan hukum atau berbadan usaha, atau perseorangan yang tidak berbadan hukum atau badan usaha. Misalnya seperti PKL, warung yang belum memiliki surat izin tempat usaha, dalam kurung situ, atau usaha informal lainnya. C. Hughes dan Kapor. Menurut Hughes dan Kapor, bisnis adalah organisasi yang menyediakan barang atau jasa untuk mendapatkan keuntungan. Suatu bisnis atau perusahaan dikatakan berhasil memperoleh keuntungan atau keuntungan jika total pendapatan dalam suatu periode lebih besar dari total pembiayaan yang dikeluarkan. Mendapatkan keuntungan merupakan daya tarik utama dalam menjalankan bisnis. Melalui keuntungan yang didapat, para pembisnis bisa mengembangkan usahanya sehingga bisa menghasilkan keuntungan atau bahkan keuntungan yang lebih besar. D. Alan Afwah 2004. Menurut Alan Afwah, usaha adalah kegiatan usaha perseorangan atau kelompok yang terorganisir atau terstruktur yang dilakukan untuk memproduksi dan menjual barang atau jasa guna memperoleh keuntungan dalam memenuhi kebutuhan dan keinginan masyarakat. Biasanya, orang yang menjalankan bisnis seperti ini menghasilkan uang dan waktu yang dihabiskan, dan mereka juga harus menanggung resiko. Mereka biasanya disebut sebagai pengusaha. Marketing is defined as an activity carried out by companies to promote a product or service that they have. The marketing includes advertising, selling, and shipping product to consumer or other companies. The companies will target people who are in accordance with the product being marketed. Usually, they also involve celebrities or anyone who has a popularity to boost the product. Not only that, in marketing, the company will create attractive packaging and design for advertisement so that many people are interested. Because with the existence of consumer marketing, it will be easier to find product that suits their needs. Marketing function, namely introduction to product, research, distribution, and after-sales service. Types of marketing, namely branding, broadcast advertising, multi-level marketing, and internet or online. Branding is the name of a business that the company is running. Branding is also a form of marketing that has a long-term advertising function. Broadcast advertising is a series of impressions created and paid for by a business entity to market a product. Multi-level marketing is a marketing strategy where salespeople are not only compensated for the sales they make, but also for the sales of other salespeople they recruit. After-sales service is a service provided to consumers after purchasing a product. My impression was learning English before Meet. I was happy because I could learn new things, which I never made a video to upload on YouTube before. But now after learning my English, so I have my own YouTube to collect my English excitement. That's what makes me happy.